Hi guys, welcome back to my Java tutorial, and for today's tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to create a code with encapsulation or using encapsulation. But before we start, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is that it making sure that the sensitive data is hidden from the user. But for you to be able to achieve this, you must declare a class variable or attribute as private. And today I'm going to create a code with the given scenario, which is we have to compute the area and the perimeter of the circle, the rectangle, and the triangle. So let's go. So in encapsulation, we have to create parent class. So to create a parent class, we have to say class, and let's name it as shape compute. And then a parenthesis. Okay, so inside the parent class we have to create the private variable. So private, let's say I will use a primitive data type double, and we'll name it as a area of circle and a semicolon. And also we have just to copy this, and we're looking for the perimeter of a circle. So, and also let's just copy the two. Since we are looking the area of the circle, rectangle, and triangle, we just need to retype this. So triangle, so it's perimeter, should be perimeter, and also for the rectangle. After creating the private variable, we have to create our Java method, which is public void set circle area. Double area in this area of circle is equals to area of circle, and then public double get circle area and return area of circle. So under our private variable, we are now creating a getters and the setters. So to create the getters, you have to write public void and your name, and also inside of the parameter list I put the double and area. Okay, and also under that is the setters. So we just have to copy all of this. Sorry, it should be area of circle. So we have just to copy this and change it into perimeter, double area, perimeter of circle, also perimeter of circle. And also here, perimeter of circle. And also here, get circle perimeter. So here, area of perimeter. So after creating the getters and the setters for the circle, let's now proceed in creating the getters and the setters from the rectangle. So let's say I'll just copy the fourth of this and I'll place it here. Then I'll just name this into triangle. So the triangle area of the triangle. Of a triangle, and also get triangle perimeter area of triangle. And just have to change this. Sorry, it should be area since we're just writing or just typing the getters of the area. Should I say the setters? And also we'll just delete this. And now let's go to perimeter of a triangle. So since we have I'll just delete this area here since we're looking for the perimeter for the circles. And now let's go back here. So set triangle perimeter, then double perimeter of triangle since we're looking for the perimeter of the triangle. Now just delete this circle. There we go. And then I have to copy this, then just paste it here and also here. So we have to create a getter for or the setter for the triangle. Should be area of triangle. Where should I say perimeter? So again, let's check it. So we have the getter and setters for the circle, which is set circle area. We're looking for the and inside the parameter of this we have double area of a circle, then the set area of a circle, and also the getters or the setters and the perimeter of circle, and first for the triangle. Also we have 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 subtriangle area of a triangle, the triangle area of triangle, so triangle perimeter triangle. So now after creating the getters and setters for the triangle, let's now proceed on creating the getters and setters for the rectangle. So again, I will just copy this for 1, 2, 3, 4, just copy this and put it here. So I'll just rename this into rectangle. So we'll just copy this since we're gonna put it here. Rectangle, area of the rectangle. Now we have to change the getters in area of the triangle rectangle. Rectangle. Goes here. Rectangle. And now we have to create the setters for the triangle perimeter, for the rectangle perimeter. Just name this into rectangle perimeter. Rectangle perimeter. Then perimeter for rectangle. Okay. So after creating this, let's proceed to the main method. Since our parent is using the private variable, we're going to put our statement into the main method. So again, for us to be able to access for the user's input, we have to put import java.util.scanner and semicolon. Import java.util.scanner. So now we have to put scanner b is equals to new scanner system enough semicolon. So under the scanner, we have to create an object, which is the name of the class, which is the shape compute. Let me just copy this, and your object name, which let's say AP stands for the area and the perimeter, is equals to new, then again class name, which is the shape compute, and the parenthesis and the semicolon. So under this, we have to create a switch. So before that, we have to create a while through for the user to be able to choose what they want to do, like system enter one to complete circle semi. And I'll just copy this and another copy for the triangle. For the rectangle. And lastly, for the exit. So but before we leave or move on, we have to change this. Enter 1 to complete circle, enter 2 for triangle, enter 3 to complete rectangle, and enter 4 for the exit. So now we'll have to create int option. So since I am using number, we have to use the int primitive data type int. Int option is equals to the next int and the semicolon, then create a switch and then option and then parentheses, the curly braces, and then case 1. So since we don't have any statement at all for the user, we're going to put our statement inside the case 1. Okay, so let's say system dot print on print man enter the radius of a circle and a semicolon. So we have to put double radius is equals to the next double for the system to know what number of radius did the user input, so for us to detect it. And also we have to put below there, here is the formula on how to create the area or how to compute the area of the circle. So double area of circle is equals to math that pi multiplied by radius and multiply again for radius itself, and then as a semicolon. So another statement below here, I just copy this and says the area of a circle is, then we have to put plus so that we can detect the area of a circle. Area of circle. Then under this we have to put our object so that we call it. So to call the object, we have to put object name, which is ap that set circle area and the area of circle. So you will find the set circle area in the setters of here. It is the method name. Okay, and the area of a circle is our parameter list, is the name. Okay, and also below that, I'll just copy this. So for us to know the perimeter of the circle, we have to put the perimeter, double perimeter of circle. So the formula there will be 2 multiplied by math pi times radius. I just copy this. times you'll just end up semicolon. So I'm going to copy. I just copy this. Sorry, it's really not allowed. So I'm so sorry. It's supposed to be perimeter of circle. Again, 2 times math. I used, so the area, instead of area, I'll change this into perimeter. The perimeter of a circle is plus the perimeter of a circle here. And also below this, we have to again to put the object name, the Java method name, and also what we are looking for, which is the perimeter of a circle. So, and also don't forget to put the break. So next, we're just going to copy this for the case 2, which is our triangle. So we're just going to change this, enter. So in triangle, for us to be able to know the area and the perimeter of a triangle, we must know the length and the width of a triangle, which will come from the user. So enter the width enter the width of a triangle So again, for us to access, I have to put double width. It's supposed to be that next double. Okay, next, another statement for I'll just copy this for the length. Okay, enter the width and enter the length of a triangle. Length. So below this is the formula for the parameter, which is double area, or sorry, it's the formula for the area of triangle. Area of the triangle is equals to 0.5 multiplied by base and again, I'm sorry, since we're looking for the triangle, or for the area and the perimeter of a triangle, we have to look for the base and the height, rather base and the height of the triangle, so that we'll be able to know the area of the triangle and the perimeter of the triangle. So I'll just name this into base, base, and also height of the triangle. So that's it. And below here, I'm going to create another statement that says the area of triangle is plus area triangle. And below this statement, you have to call another object for ap dot set triangle. Sorry, area triangle area, right? So triangle area and the area of triangle and a semicolon. So under that, I will declare a double int is equals to 3. Since the formula of the triangle on finding the perimeter of it is side plus base plus width, so I will just declare a double int is equals to 3 so that it will automatically add for the base to the base and the height. So there you go. And double perimeter double perimeter of triangle circles to side plus base plus height and a semicolon. Another statement for the perimeter of a triangle is perimeter of triangle and a semicolon. So again, we're going to call again the setters for the perimeter of triangle. So ap set triangle perimeter and perimeter of triangle. And then under big. So after this, I will create another case, which is case 3 for the rectangle. So I will just copy this again. So I will just change this to case 3 and system.out.print 1. So now in rectangle, for us to be able to find the area and the perimeter of the rectangle, we have to look for the length and the width of a rectangle, which will be given by the user. So we have to find enter the width, enter the width of a rectangle. So double width is supposed to be the next level. So and also we have to look for the length, double length, enter the length of a rectangle. And also double length is equals to v that next double. So now we have to declare the formula of finding the area of the rectangle. So the formula would be with just multiply to the length and a semicolon. So under this, the area entered. So under this, the area the area of the rectangle is plus area of rectangle. So after computing this width and length, then it will print out the area of the rectangle. So I'm just gonna call this again, the set rectangle area, the area of rectangle. So now we have to create the setters for the rectangle, which is the perimeter. Or should I say, we'll have to create the perimeter, sorry. So double perimeter of the rectangle. So here's the formula. I'm finding the perimeter of the rectangle. So it just simply go multiplied by the width multiplied by the length in the semicolon. This will just change this into the perimeter of a rectangle is perimeter of rectangle in the semicolon. And also we have to call this into set rectangle rectangle perimeter or the perimeter of the rectangle and the break. So after this we have to create the last one, which is the case 4. So we just system with a 0 and a break. So here you go. We already declared a private variable. We also declared the getters and the setter method for the circle, for the triangle, and also for the rectangle. We also created a while true statement and also created an object, which is the shape compute AP is equals to new shape compute. Also we use switch for the option, so that the user will choose between the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, which is 1 represents for the compute the circle, 2 represent for the compute of the triangle, 3 represent for the compute of the rectangle, and 4 is for the exit. And also we created the statement and the formula inside of the case, and also calling out the Java method. And so after creating the getters and the setters from the 3 shapes that we're going to compute, which is the circle, the triangle, the rectangle, let's now run the program. So there you go. We press 1. It will ask for the radius of a circle, let's say 2. And it will compute the area of a circle and the perimeter of a circle automatically. So if we choose 2, it will compute the triangle and will ask for the base of a triangle, which is, let's say, 2, and also the height of the triangle, let's say 3, and the area of the triangle is 3, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 4, because the formula of the triangle here to find the area is that 0.5 times the base times height, so the answer is 3. And also the perimeter for the triangle, formula of the triangle is side plus base plus height, which is 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 3 is 5, and plus 3 is equals to 8. And lastly 3 it will ask for the width of a rectangle rather, let's say 12, and also the length of the rectangle, let's say 12 again, and it will shows the area of a rectangle which is 144 and the perimeter of a rectangle which is 288, and press for the accept, and there you go. And finish all the requirement to compute the area, the perimeter of the circle, the triangle, and the rectangle. And I guess you hope a lot from me, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.